Welcome to this short tutorial on enabling and using multi-factor authentication on the DreamSave Insights platform. This is an optional feature designed to protect your account by adding a second step of verification to the login process. You can choose between two methods, Google Authenticator or email-based OTP. Please note, only one method can be active at a time. Let's start by setting up MFA with Google Authenticator. Click Setup Now and you'll see a QR code. First, you need to download the Google Authenticator app and then scan this QR code. After setting up the account, you can see a 6-digit code displayed on the Authenticator app. To enter the code, please click Continue from this modal. After you enter the code and it's verified, you will see a list of backup codes. These backup codes can be used to log in case you lose access to your Authenticator app. Now let's see how the login flow works with MFA enabled. Log out and return to the login screen. Enter your username and password as usual. You'll be prompted to enter a 6-digit code and you can find it from your Google Authenticator app. Once entered, you'll be successfully logged into the portal. You'll also notice a checkbox, Trust this device for 30 days. If selected, you won't be asked for MFA again on this device for next 30 days. Trusted devices can be viewed later in the MFA security section. If you don't have access to the Authenticator app, you can also enter one of your backup codes to log in like this. To disable the Google Authenticator, click on Deactivate option under the Google Authenticator. You'll be asked to enter your DreamSave Insights password. Once verified, Google Authenticator will be deactivated and you can now set up email OTP instead. To enable email OTP, click Setup Now and a 6-digit code will be sent to your registered email address. You can enter the code to complete the setup, and also you'll receive a list of backup codes just like with Google Authenticator setup. The login flow is similar. Enter your username and password. A 6-digit code will be sent to your email. You can enter it to log in. If you have lost your backup codes, there's an option to regenerate them under MFA settings. This will invalidate the previous set and generate a new one. Finally, the Trusted Device section will show a list of devices where the Trust for 30 days option was enabled. You can review and manage them here for added control. Thanks for watching.